African unite. Ghana is free forever. The words of Dr. Kwasi Nkrumah. Yeah. The niggas who introduce Christianity to African are still racist. These niggas pretend to love dark each and every time in some cases. Manipulating the world, the money whilst our leaders are keeping us in cages. They started brutalizing innocent souls back in the slave ships. Yeah, African unite, together we stand, together we fight for our land, peace or to our land. They hate us because we are black, they hate us because we are strong and smart. They fool us because we are blind, they fool us because they blind our minds. Serving the same God with their slave master, is it not scary? Can't you niggas see our mind and move from clary to blurry? Looking at the world, can't you niggas see it's even in a hurry? They even decide for us each and every yearly and daily. Damn it. So if heaven is real, why would they show us the way and also steal our gold? If heaven is real, why would they tell us forgive and also kill our kind? If heaven is real, why would they fake to love and also take our slave? If heaven is real, yeah, now if COVID is real, why would the tea of the whites is different of that of the blacks? If they are real, why would they leave us in peace, imposing LGBT on us? If they are real, yeah. Now telling that they go to heaven, meanwhile our heaven is Africa. Telling that garden of Eden is Asia, but meanwhile Ethiopia. Telling us so many stories, but they can never prove ya. Always fake stories, but we can never believe ya. Yeah. Africa. Why? We have cocoa, cashew, cola, still our leaders who borrow. Salt, ivory, oil, still yasumawa ma, wamuti ye chobo. Aluminium, diamond, gold, but still African youth no get kobo. They know we are the best, but Africa ke brand sana when ya cocoa. Putting the 17 man and nature, trading heroes in movies like America. Makana Mameka ni biom. Putting the 17 man and nature, trading heroes in movies like America. Alright. Enough with the mind games. Alright. Enough. Oh, alright. Africans don't know how special you are. Can you danta be an danta? Danta ni gays kabano. Akram.